No? So I'm going to put them on and you're just going to raise your hand whichever side you hear a little beat.
I think
Okay.
I recorded this last time.
Ready to try? Let's see. And then I'll have you face this. You're going to look at Mom. Ready? Let's see. Can you hear the little beat? Good job. On what side? Good. So if you hear it on this ear, raise this hand. If you hear it on this ear, raise this hand. Okay? Let's see. Good. Good.
Bless you.
Okay. Good. Which one? That one. Good.
Wait till you hear the sound, so put your hands up.
Can you hear that one? On what side? That's okay. Yeah. What about that one? Good. Okay. Can you hear that one?
I can hear both of them.
On both of them? Okay. What about that one? Good. One more. Let's see. Put your hands down. Where's that beat coming from? Good job. All right. Let's take them out. You did good. Does he wear glasses?
No.
No. Okay. Now we're going to go to the hallway and do your vision test, okay? Do you know all your letters and shapes? Yeah? All right. Here. Come on this way. And have this down. On this down, okay? Turn around. You want to do your letters or your shapes? Letters? You know all of your letters? Yeah? Okay. Let's see. What letter is this?
T
This one?
O Z J
Okay, and that one?
P E T
What about this one?
P E C T D
This one?
D
Okay, and that one?
D R
Okay.
C Z T
What about this one?
F
Mm-hmm.
O
Okay, what about this one?
J
And this one?
O R O.
This one's an F? This one?
You don't know your alphabet?